Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use all gestures and motions on HUAWEI Nova 11 Pro. And to do this we'll need to open settings, then locate accessibility features on the bottom. Here is shortcuts and gestures, and let's check how they work. First one being AI voice, and if you enable it you'll be able to call out assistant using a power key and by holding it for 1 second. If you want to power off your device, then hold it for 3 seconds instead. Next one is take a ultra snapshot, and here you can change it between open camera and take a snapshot, and if you double press volume down button you'll be able to use this feature. So let's take a snapshot, and if we double press the volume down key while our phone is locked, it should instantly take the photo and also open the camera. Next feature is take a screenshot, and here's multiple different options and you can enable all of them. Now knock twice on your screen with knuckle to take a screenshot. Knock and draw to make the partial screenshot, and if you whatever you will draw and enclose the line, it will make a screenshot of that. Next one is scroll shot, so knock and draw S, and this should make a scrollable screenshot if the page allows it. And the last one is swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. There's also one option to make a screenshot, and you need to hold the power key and volume down key to do that. Now moving on, we have record screen. Knock with your 2 knuckles and you'll be able to start a screen recording. Next one is wake screen, and you can enable both of the settings. Raise your device to turn on the screen when it's locked, and also double knock the screen with your finger to make it wake up. Next is mute ringtone and reduce volume, so you can flip your phone to mute all incoming calls. And also second option, raise to reduce volume. If you receive any call and raise your phone, it should reduce its volume. Last one is answer calls, and if you enable it, it will automatically answer calls when you raise your phone to your ear. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.